Hi, I'm Galadra, and I'm gonna open LOL Surprise Under Wraps Series 2. My sister opened Series 1, and she's playing with it behind the camera. And I'm gonna open mine.
I'm looking at you.
I have a whole box of
I'm
LOL.
looking at you. I'm looking at you.
Where's the other one? Oh, there it is. Hallelujah. It says under the sea.
Fish.
Nothing here.
I
I don't need the notes, the secret messages, because I read them a lot of times. Don't shake it. It's a mermaid. Yep, I was right. Pop the bottle. I'm hoping I can see a little pink. Nope. Yeah. This looks like, I don't know, this bottle. I did have one. I had another one of her, but I lost her. For a reason, I brought her in the shower. Okay, let's go. I think there's supposed to be a bracelet. I don't know, 1 or 2. Yeah, it's 1. I think she's a color changer. I mean, like, she should be. Yeah. Ripping off every single detail. Right. And we're gonna put the clothes on now.
Hey,
He's playing with it. Put it back.
mine's the color. Mine the best. 英文期的我爱做围棋的，I like making coloring and 期的，my father the color.
I don't care.
Hey, are you done? Hey.
There we go. Okay, what are the names?
My name is Tutu
Hers is 80s BB, and I don't know mine yet.
Yours and Cheetah.
No, it's not Cheetah.
That's Cheetah's shirt.
Yeah, but it doesn't mean his name's Cheetah.
Yes.
It is not. Oh, we're next to each other. We're in a club. We're the only ones. In the pop club.
What's yours called?
Fierce. Next time we're gonna open 1,000 all at once. Just kidding.